Hello and welcome. In this video, we will learn few more things about HTML and then conclude this course. Alright? Now, firstly, the main page of your website should be named as index.html. Okay? Now, this is not a rule but a convention followed while designing a website. Okay, so the main page, what is the main page? This is our main page, right? So main page should be named as index.html. All right, next, always have only one h1 heading element in a page. Okay, don't have more than one h1 tag or heading 1 in a page. Now h2 can be many, h3 can be many, h4, h5, 6 can be as many times as you want, but h1 should be used only once. Alright, so that is second thing. Next, about semantic tags. Okay, semantic tags. So this is our website, correct? This is this is what we created. If you look at this, if you look at this line, this is bold and in italics, correct? This is in bold and italics. And how did we do it bold or italics? We used B and I tags, correct? So let me open this up in Notepad and show you. So this is this, correct? You too have this. So we used B tag for making it bold, right? Bold. So let me delete this. Let me delete the bold tags and show you how it is. Let me save it and let me refresh it. So you can see the bold has been removed and now it is in normal font. And now let me delete the italics, I tags, okay, and let me save it and let me show you how it comes. So you can see it is normal text, normal format. So there is no difference between this and this, correct? This format, sorry, yeah, and this are same, correct? Now, what we will be talking about is semantic tags. Now HTML5, which is the current version, uses semantic tags. Now what semantic tags are the tags with purpose. Alright, now we used B to make this bold, correct? Now that is non-semantic tag. If you want to make it bold, you can also use strong tag. All right, strong tag. Let me close it here and let me save it. Let me refresh it. So it comes as bold, correct? Now B tags and strong tags get you the same result, which is making it bold. But then B tag is non-semantic tag and strong tag is semantic tag. Now what is semantic tag? Semantic tags are tags with purpose. Now these are used by search engines. Alright, these are used by search engines. If you use B, it says this is bold, that's all. Okay, if you use B tags here, it just says, hey computer, this should be bold, this should be made bold, that's all. But if you use strong, it says this is of importance. Okay, so this text here is of importance and make it bold. So we are emphasizing, okay, or we are saying its purpose using strong tags. and in recent times we use semantic tags and not non-semantic tags. So we generally don't use B and I. I is for making it in italics, italicizing, alright? But we do not use it. Instead of I, we use M, EM, okay, for emphasizing. For emphasizing, let me close it, EM. Now this, let me save it, let me refresh it. So you can see it has come in italics. Now this gives you the same result of I tags, okay, I tags. But I tags are non-semantic. I tags just say make this in or bring it out as italics or italicize this. It just says that. But when you use EM tags, it says this is of importance. Emphasize it. Emphasize it by bringing it in italics. Okay. So this emphasizes the text. This emphasizes the text. Okay. Or in other words, this has some purpose. The tags give some purpose. It has some purpose to the content. Okay, it gives some purpose to the content. Whereas B tag and I tag do not give any purpose. Now at this stage, it is difficult for you to make sense of it. But as you progress, as you learn newer and newer things, it will come naturally to you. Alright. Now P tag is semantic tag. It says this is a paragraph. Okay, it says this is a paragraph. Similarly, there are many semantic tags which I have not explained in this course. There is article tag, navigation tag, and many others too. I do not want to confuse you right now. There are many other tags which are semantic tags, and slowly as you progress through your journey of web development, you will learn them and you will use them. Alright. Right now, do not worry too much about this semantic tags, but just know that semantic tags give purpose, or it has some purpose. Alright. That is about semantic tags. Next, some details about table. Okay. Now I have a table here which has 4 rows and 3 columns, and the codes for this table is here. Alright. Now by now you know how to get this table. You know all these codes, correct? But if you see here, we have name, place and age. These 3 are headings of this table. And under name we have Ravi, Mohan and Anita. Place, Mysore, Pune and Mumbai, and under age we have 3 ages. But when you look at this table, all the data looks same. Even the headings look similar to these data, correct? But we want the headings of the table to stand out. Okay, we want the headings to stand out, and so we have heading tags. Okay, heading tags, th tags, table heading. Okay, so we will be using this. We will be using this instead of td tags. Okay, so th and th. Okay, name, place and age are the headings. We want them to stand out, correct? And that is why we are using th tags. So let me save this. And let me refresh it. And you can see name, place, age have come in bold, or now the table looks good. So this is one tag that you must remember. Okay, in the 3 tables that we have done, we did not need a table heading. Okay, So I have taken this example to explain table heading. Alright. Next, you can go to any website and check the codes. Okay. Now, for example, I am at google.com, and if I want to check the codes that has gone into making of this page, then I just have to right click and select view page source. Okay. So when you select view page source, you will get a lot of codes like this. Alright. Now here you can see doc type HTML, the one that we have learned, and then HTML code starts here. There are many things in here which we have not learned, which you will learn in your journey when you progress through it. Okay. So do not worry about it right now. So we have our head tag, we have meta char set UTF-8 and rest of the codes. Alright. Now this works with all the web pages. You can go to the web page and right click and select view page source. Okay. So this is to look at the codes. Next, a wonderful resource is this website, w3schools.com. All the HTML topics are available here. Okay, available here. So if you are stuck, you can go to this website, click on the article and read about it. Okay, read about it. They also have inbuilt code editor. Okay, they also have an inbuilt code editor like this. You just have to click on try it yourself and you can see the output. Alright, so when you're stuck, go to this website and clear your doubts. Alright, next is try watching other videos on YouTube which teaches HTML. You have watched my videos, that is fine, and I thank you for that. But there are many other channels which teach you HTML. Only when you watch other videos and only when you practice the content that they give out in those videos, you will learn the concept properly. Only by watching the videos, you will not learn anything. You just watch it like a movie, that's all. You watch it and you forget it. Only when you code it, when you practice it, when you watch new videos, you will learn new things. Alright? So other videos, they may teach something new, something extra, maybe in a good way, better way than what I am teaching. Alright? So make sure you watch other videos of other channels to learn about HTML and then practice them. Okay, don't stop practicing. After HTML, you need to learn about CSS. What we have done is we have given a structure to the website. We have just given a structure to the website. Now we need to make it look good. We need to make it look good. And this is where CSS comes. Okay, CSS and also JavaScript. So next should be learning CSS. I have made a playlist where I teach CSS. Alright, so if you are interested, you can watch those videos. If you are not interested in my videos, you can watch CSS videos of other channels. But make sure you watch them and learn those too. Only when you learn HTML and CSS, you will get an idea of how website is designed. And after that, go and learn JavaScript. And once you are done with these three, you can create a proper website. Alright. So that's it for this video. It has been a nice journey. Thank you for staying with me through these 10 videos. I wish you good luck and hope to see you in my CSS videos. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.